All right, so but when you call for sale by owners, and you guys that have been doing this in expired listings, that one of the top questions they have is, do you have any buyers? So your answer is always yes. So here's an expired listing that was in, I just went in FMLS, and I'll show you guys where to find these things. And it's the same process. X through the dollar sign, or how much they had it listed for. Your home is definitely worth more than this. Call or text me. Number. Can I bring 3 to 7 buyers by Saturday or Sunday? Yep. You're going to handwrite it out. Do not type this on here trying to look all fancy. It will not work, and you will not have the results that you want. All right, hopefully you guys have a database of buyers. And as you can see, I do. 15,800, as you see here. You're going to put this in the mailing. If you don't have a database of buyers, it's okay. Then you do what? Just leave it out. What we don't want you to do is not to do anything. Okay, but if you don't have a database of buyers, just leave it out. Okay, so if you do, put it in here, and make sure you write what I have written on here. Then if you have Google reviews, my God, these are third-party endorsements. Remember, there's a difference between marketing and public relations. Marketing is what? You saying how great you are. Public relations is a third party saying how great you are. So here are 109 people that are saying how great the Anthony Thornton home selling team at EXP is. And so you want to print this out, yes, in black and white. 5-star Google reviews, as I wrote here, because when people look at your work, other agents are contacting sellers, and they're saying, here's my business card, trust me. We're saying, here's our Google reviews for the team. And if you guys are watching this, you're on my team, you would use this process, right? Because all our team reviews are on here as well. Here's one about Melissa at the top. Working with Melissa is great. She will provide the information you need. She explained everything clearly, answered all my questions, and she speaks Spanish as well. So make sure your clients are getting filling out Google reviews so we can all leverage our team's Google reviews. So here's 109. Google your name, realtor, and see what people see about you. People will Google you when they find this. So Google your first name, last name, real estate, and you'll see what other people in this world see about you in real estate. So if you don't have something like this going on, then maybe you could get a letter from a past seller. If you don't have any Google reviews or Zillow reviews or any reviews at all, because nobody's taught you how to do this. But now you can see how important it is for you getting listings, because guess what? You're competing against me if you're in the markets that I'm in, and we have hundreds and hundreds of reviews all over the internet. And I feel sorry for you if you go up against me, because we know the end result. All right, call or text me, right? Telling people to call or text, because some people want to call you, but we know we live in a text world. We don't email people. Email does not exist. It is dead, and nobody does it anymore. Here is a QR code. I'm going to show you where I created this in a second. And if you just scan this QR code, it's just somebody saying a bunch of great things about us. So if you guys are in our meeting today, go ahead and put your camera up, and you can see, go on mute on your phone on our meeting and see what people are saying about us, right? You can be able to see this. Check out this, scan the code. I'll make it a little bit smaller for you guys. There you go. And you can see where this goes. We have a website called attclientreviews.com. It's nothing but video testimonials, right? So you should probably do the same thing, because if a seller gets this and they take out their phone, because we're telling people what to do. It says, take your phone out, press the camera icon, and scan this. Don't assume people know how to scan a QR code, even though COVID has helped us out a lot, and we're used to doing this. All right. So you can see what website it led to, which was a website full of client reviews. And this is something that we're sending out. Remember, they got this in the mail ahead of time, and they're checking out 109 Google reviews, 50, 60 video testimonials. So by the time we actually contact them about bringing buyers, we told them we have buyers to bring out. We showed them our database, 15,000. We're 30% is the expected return rate on this, but it'll probably be much higher. You guys will let me know. So, all right, so you see that. So even if you only can get one video, it would be worth you having no videos. And if you don't know how to get a video, call your client up and tell them you need to meet them on Zoom. A past client that you had was a seller or a buyer, doesn't matter. And you ask them certain questions that a seller is going to want to hear, like, hey, how is it working with you? What was the experience like before? What about after? How you can show them homes is not listed on the market like you can the seller's home who's not listed on the market, because we're talking about for sale by owners and expired listings. They're not on the market anymore. And how you can help people get access to those homes. You can guide this interview, and then you can make this QR code and you'll have the same thing. You could get this done today.